This video is for entertainment only. Scenes may be AI generated, fictional, or technically inaccurate. Do not treat this as professional, mechanical, or safety advice.
Check the mud guards and the rusty arches. Got it. Windshield's cracked too. Take a look at this tire and the missing mirror. Noted. And that dent. This thing is packed with leaves. Oh, yeah, look at the radiator fins. We need to clear this before we check the wiring. Check that rusted control arm. Mud buildup is thick under here. Nope, back it up, back it up. Watch the rear, easy now. And hold, stop right there. Secure it on this end. All right, take the slack. Taking the slack now. Take the slack out slowly. Yeah. Hold it right there, check the angles. Watch the back end, it's swinging. Got it, pulling taut now. Hold it steady, a little to the left. Coming down slow, watch hold it. Back it up a touch. All right, set it down. It's clear. All right, keep coming back slow. You got room up front. All right, stabilizers down. Tension off the back straps. Ratchet's clear on this side. Yep, looks good. Balance solid. Steady, steady. Watch the swing. Pulling tension on the strap now. All right, clear to pivot. All right, keep it straight. Easy down. She's settled. Let's push it back into the bay. Locking the dollies now.
Rear chocks are set.
Looks good. All secure. This is worse than I thought.
Look at this body line damage here. Yeah.
Yeah, updating the marks now. The rear bumper and lid took a heavy hit as well. Check the dashboard, it's damaged too. Look at the extent of the cracking here by the steering column. Yeah. And the wiring harness is completely frayed. We'll need to replace the whole dash assembly. All right, bring it up slowly. Almost done sanding this pillar. Yeah. Good, this channel needs more attention right here. I've marked the spots on the frame. Hold it steady right there.
Yeah.
The gap looks good on this side.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm tightening the top bolt now. Check the routing on this harness before we pull it.
Yeah.
Battery's loose.
B, how are the fluids coming?
Almost clear on this side. Bring it up easy, watch the firewall.
Yep.
Clear on the harness, keep lifting. Radiator support is clear. Okay, the new serpentine belt is on.
Good.
Good.
I'm starting the spark plug torque sequence now.
Bring it down just a hair. Clear on the right side, watch the line.
Yeah.
Looks good, lock it down. All right, give me 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. Holding. Okay, bleeding the line. And tighten. Check the alignment on the hood seam.
Looks good. I'm starting the final tack wipe on the door panels now.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe if you are new to the channel.